Hey there, what's up, Church Photographer Nation? Rob Lauder here with churchphotographers.com, and on this episode of 3 Minute Thursday, I've got everything you need to know about shooting in bad light. Here we go. Alright, so you're photographing in your church auditorium, the lighting is terrible, and you can't use a flash. What do you do? Follow these 5 tips for better results in low light. Number 1, shoot in manual mode. The number 1 thing that you can do to overcome bad light is to get out of auto mode, start shooting in manual. This gives you complete control over the light that's hitting your camera's sensor, so you can make the most of what little light that you have. Number 2, shoot raw. Unlike JPEG images, which are compressed, raw images preserve all of that beautiful data that your sensor can record. And so shooting in RAW preserves detail that gets lost when you shoot in JPEG mode, so you can pull out more details in your images in post-production. Number 3, use a wide open lens. That refers to the aperture. Aperture is the size of the iris and that's inside of your lens. The smaller the f-stop number, the wider the aperture and the more light your lens will allow to make it to the sensor. And so shooting with an f1.4 or f2.8 lens will help you get brighter, clearer images in low light. Number 4, use a monopod. When you're shooting in low light, you normally need to use slow shutter speeds to get a good exposure. And slow shutter speeds mean shaky, blurry images, especially when you're using a zoom lens. And so use a monopod to reduce camera shake in those low light environments. And finally, number 5, bring up your exposure in post-production. There's a joke in the production world, we'll just fix it in post. But good post-processing, particularly in Lightroom, etc., can help rescue an underexposed image that would otherwise be unusable. Brighten your exposure, watch out for noise, and if you need some inspiration, take a look at these images that look worthless at first, but were saved in post-production. And that's all we've got time for. If you want to learn more about this topic, check out our Recovering Bad Light tutorial on the Church Photographers YouTube channel, or head on over to churchphotographers.com to pre-order our Overcoming Terrible Light course and start capturing brighter, clearer images today.